good. This is what they do have for breakfast. Lots of choices anyway. Indian. This for Asian. Okay. Element rest. Many choices. Hello.
Hello, good morning. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Hello. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Domo. Is this swimming pool? That's the Sheraton Hotel over there. The pool is kosher by Hilton and Sheraton. Okura used to have their own swimming pool. Okay, so this is the swimming pool, and there's the pool bar over there. Okay. Nice view. Nandito po tayo sa pamosong escalator ng Hilton Manila. Parang mga 30 degrees ang kanyang inclination. So we're going up to the third floor, to the reception area for the checkout. Okay, we are now at the third floor, and this is the reception area. This is where we check in and also do some checkout. Okay, that's the reception. Yun ang ating bagahe. Lalagak po muna natin dito while waiting for our rides to the airport. Okay, right now we are at the lobby, ground floor of Hilton Manila. Okay, so ayan po. Okay, thank you. Wala pa yung Velos yun, parang Innova yung Avanza. Going to the airport from Hilton Manila. Just waiting for our ride. And here are our baggages for Japan. Wala pa, maaga pa.
Hindi na ako traffic sa taas.
Sa taas ano? Kahapon traffic.
Sa may Bay Pipe tayo, ano? Ito yan. Yeah, too early for the check-in. The counter will open by 11. Okay, anyway, our luggages are already on queue, just waiting for the counter to open. Okay, yung sa 23 yan kasi kukonti.
May kasunod lang yun.
Hindi tayo, hindi lalagyan yun. Pang senior yung kabila. To pick up our Wi-Fi router for Japan. Here at Travel Wi-Fi SIM card Big Sky Nation. It's already prepaid. It was ordered in advance.
Requesting the remaining members of the guests of Cebu Pacific Airline 5349.
Going to the airline lounge, Port Laban. Okay, we are now at the airlines lounge at Pags. Kopi po muna tayo, kopi-kopi. Kanilang ino-offer ng mga pagkain. Okay. On this side, coffee, tea, mga drinks, may mga wine, may mga beer, soda water, soft drinks. Okay. So, yan po. Meron silang congee. May congee. May vegetable soup. May ice cream. Okay. Okay, may pasta. May Mongolian noodles. Ito po ay malawak naman to. Mas maluwag po siya kaysa sa Mahabra. Oh, hanggang dito po pala to. Okay. So what do we have here? Oh, may saging. Pomelo. Okay, mga table cookies. At yan po ang airport ang kanyang view. Okay, this is much better than Mahabra, where we took our dinner on our way to Japan also last time. Okay, so our flight is okay, 14:40, check-in counter pa rin, open pa. So, wala pa pong final call. Mami, may mais kong yelo. Doon sa banda rin, maluwag pala. We're now at Haneda International Airport, Terminal 3. Yan po, yan ang airport ng Haneda. Yan, domestic na tayo. Sasakay tayo ng bus mamaya. Finally, we are now at Sapporo. Yeah, we are here at Sapporo. It's raining. Hokkaido, Hokkaido. Yeah, Sapporo. Sapporo beer. Malaki ang airport nila. Oo, malaki. Oo, domestic pero malaki airport nila. Maganda. Yeah, domestic pero malaki. Madahil kainan, no? Kasi ano to tourist destination to. Dahil pasahero. Thank you. Ito, 987. Yan. You are now in Sapporo, but there is maligayang pagdating. Welcome, welcome. So, we're waiting for the baggage. Yeah, that's our flight, ANA 987, Discover Hokkaido. So, nasa Sapporo na si Mama. Nasa Sapporo na si Madam, my beautiful wife. Welcome to Sapporo. Ayan. Ganda na airport nila, oh. Napunta ako sa sa information, Mami. Ano pa? Malamig. Ano to pag summer pa ngayon pero pag winter talagang puro snow to. Mukhang tayo lang ang pasahero. Wow, mukhang chinarter namin ang buong bus na to. Oh, walang pasahero. Kami lang. Hindi, aalis siya. Ano, after 4 minutes pa. Oh, we're going to the hotel. Charter natin ang buong bus. Tayo dalawa lang ang pasahero. Yun, may sumakayata. Mahal yan. Di bale, bawi na lang. Gutom. Okay.